Keeping in line with the tradition at SanDisk, which is, SanDisk is always ahead of the curve and always innovating new products and with new technologies. SanDisk has launched two sets of new products. One is in the imaging category and one is in the USB category. To talk about the USB category, we have two new pen drives that we have launched, which is the CZ51 and the CZ45. The CZ51 is a very exciting new USB, which is a slide product. It has a slide design, you can slide it, unlike the previous one, the Cruiser Blade, which we launched last year. It is red and black in color, and the unique feature that these drives now support are two sets of new features, which is the secure access feature. One is the secure access feature, which is a new security feature, which is password and encryption led. So what it means to a layman is that when you are actually giving your pen drive to others for sharing purposes, normally if you had any sensitive data on it, you would actually take away that sensitive data or the private files and then give your pen drive for sharing. Now SanDisk had recognized this feature that consumers were looking for, which was password protection, and they have come out with this new feature which allows you to use your pen drive to make a private folder which is password protected, and one is an open folder. So what happens is that when you give your pen drives to others to share, they will not be able to access your private folder, and they will have access only to the open folder. So this makes life of the consumer very, very simple, and the consumer need not have a separate pen drive for private folders and open folders. And the other unique feature that this drive supports is that it has 2 GB of online storage free. So we have a tie-up with DMailer Online, where any pen drive user of SanDisk, but these are old pen drives as well, the CZ50, they can actually go onto this website after they have plugged in their pen drives on their computers, and they will be able to access and store their files up to 2 GB free on the site. So when you have a 2 GB pen drive, you will get an extra 2 GB free. If you have a 4 GB pen drive, it is 2 GB free, and so on and so forth. Like with 8 GB, it will be another 2 GB. And this feature, the best part about this feature is that it is activated now on all SanDisk pen drives, which were there earlier as well, which is the CZ50 and the CZ36 as well. So these two new features make the SanDisk pen drive unique in the market, and the consumers will find these two features very, very useful because this is what the new consumer is looking for. Online storage, more capacity, and as well as security of data. The other line of products that we have launched new is the imaging line, and in this imaging category we have two new sets of products here as well, keeping in tradition with again the innovation that SanDisk is famous for. We have actually studied the market, and what we realized is that today the trend in consumer imaging or in the imaging market is that customers are actually wanting to shoot shoot video with their DSLRs. The files are pretty heavy and they want to shoot high definition video. Now all these features actually require very high capacity and a high speed cards. So we have just launched the 128 GB CF card, which is the largest capacity card and the fastest card in the market at 100 MB per second. This is the Extreme Pro series, and it is meant for high-end DSLR, Pro DSLR cameras, which the professionals normally use. The other card that we have launched is in the SD category, and this is the 32 GB SD Extreme Pro card, which is at 45 MB per second, and it is based on UHS 1 technology. Now what this means to a layman is that most of the cameras now come with SD cards, and if you see the trend in DSLR cameras, as I mentioned earlier, we have We have consumers who want to shoot high definition video in their DSLRs, and therefore they need a high speed card like an Extreme Pro SD card, and this is therefore keeping in line with that requirement in the market. What are the unique features about this card is that it is actually fireproof, it is waterproof, and it is extremely rugged, so a photographer, when they go out to shoot and they face rugged conditions, then this card will basically help them a lot, because it can take temperature from -20 degrees to +85 degrees as well, which is of course the feature of our entire Extreme line of cards. So with all these products coming into place, we are very excited about 2011, because this opens up new avenues for SanDisk. The other new pen drive that we have launched is called the CZ45, and what is unique about this pen drive is that it comes in our Ultra series of products, and it is having a speed of 15 MB per second. Again, this is based on our consumer research, which showed that most of the consumers now use pen drives to transfer a lot of pictures. They use these pen drives to actually download movies, and when you are downloading movies or transferring movies, you need high speed, and therefore this is a new series of pen drive which is launched in our Ultra series, and this also supports all the features that I mentioned earlier about secure access, as well as online 2 GB free for the consumer. So 2010 has been a very good year for us, and it has been a very exciting year. All the categories of products that SanDisk deals in, whether it's the mobile cards or USB or even the imaging category, all these categories are on the growth path. If you look at the digital camera market, it's last year the number of cameras sold were anything between 1.8 to 2 million units, and this is a category which is growing at a CAGR of about 38 to 40%. If you look at the mobile phone category, last year about 140 million handsets were being sold, and about close to 50% of these phones are actually coming with memory slots. And also, if you look at the USB category, USB is no longer in the computing domain. What we mean by that is that USB is no longer necessarily used with laptops or PCs only. USB is something now which has come into your living rooms along with the plasma TVs or LCD TVs, where you can play your movies directly from the pen drive or on your DVD player, also in your car stereos, and in many other places. So thus USB has gone beyond computing, and therefore in a way it is also replacing CDs. So all these categories of products are on the rise for SanDisk, and the flash memory category is actually larger than anybody can think, because every device which is portable now has to have a flash memory built into it, and therefore all the marketing initiatives that we have been doing in 2010 have been towards fulfilling this criteria. So we have a push and a pull program. We push our retailers as well, our resellers, with a lot of incentive programs to sell high capacity, and we have our marketing initiatives in the top 14 cities of the country, where we do a lot of branding at retail. We do incentive programs for our channels, a lot of training programs we have initiated to tell them about how to sell our products, how to upsell our products, and how to tell a consumer what kind of card goes into which device. And some of the initiatives that we did last year was that was relating to the B and C class cities, where we did this unique campaign called the Memory Yatra. Now the reason for doing this particular activity was that we realized that in the B and the C class cities, the consumer was more keen towards using higher capacity cards. Reason being is that the phone has become the central device in these B and C class towns for all the consumers, because the phone is also the entertainment device, which is like they watch their movies on it, they would play music on it, they would take pictures through it. It's also an information device for them. Unlike in an urban area where we have access to many devices, which is like we would have a digital camera, we would have a phone, a DVD player, a TV, which is not there mostly in the C and the D class cities. And therefore, higher capacity cards was something that was happening more in these towns. And in order to educate the consumer as to how should they buy the car, from where they should buy it, they should buy it from a genuine source, and the fact that SanDisk has this entire range of products, we came out with this unique campaign called the Memory Yatra, in which we started last year in February. We went to about 7 cities, starting with Jaipur, and we actually coincided it with a local festival. For example, in Jaipur, we did it with Holi, for 7 days in the city of Jaipur, this van of SanDisk with SanDisk branding and all the products in it went around in 7 cities, for 7 days to all the markets where the youth population was present, whether it was the colleges or the hot spots where the youth would be there. And we came out with some unique games for them to play and get engaged with the SanDisk product range. And I think this was a very good exercise, and it was covered very well by the media as well. And then we took this same Memory Yatra to Chandigarh for Baisakhi. We went to Hyderabad and Pune with Ganesh Chaturthi. We did Onam in Cochin. We did Navratri in Ahmedabad, and we did Lucknow, Varanasi with Diwali. So this was one of the unique campaigns of SanDisk in 2010. We also did a Diwali campaign for 8 GB and above products of SanDisk, in which we had customers who bought 8 GB and above products of SanDisk could actually win exciting prizes through registering online and participating in an online game. This was also propagated through Facebook. And the grand prize was a trip to South Africa. So this was also well received by the consumers. So all these activities put together help the consumer to drive into retail for SanDisk, asking for the SanDisk brand. And the channel feels very happy about it, because these are some of the initiatives which are unique to SanDisk. And we will continue to do these kind of activities in 2011 as well, in order to educate the consumer on SanDisk range of products, as well as excite the channel to stock and store our products. And as you must be aware that SanDisk actually sells its products in more than 20,000 retail outlets in the country. We are well represented in any store that would be selling a mobile phone or a digital camera, or wherever a plasma TV or a car stereo is being sold, or a laptop is being sold. SanDisk is the pioneer in flash memory technology. The entire industry for flash memory was born out of the SanDisk invention of the CF cards and the SD cards. We have about 2,800 patents, worldwide, and we sell our products in more than 230,000 retail outlets worldwide. SanDisk is a premium brand. And as I mentioned earlier, it has a lot of control on the products that go into the flash memory technology. We also are one of the unique companies in which we are vertically integrated, where we manufacture the raw flash as well as the controller. Now, what's so unique about that is that we have our own manufacturing plant to do the raw flash with Toshiba, in collaboration with Toshiba in Japan, and we actually make our own controllers, and therefore we control the quality of our products, and our products are the best in class. This also minimizes the RMA returns. So what we actually offer to our customers worldwide is peace of mind. So when you buy a SanDisk card, and when the retailer sells the SanDisk card, the consumer as well as the retailer have peace of mind that the rate of return is next to negligible. This is one of the most important features about SanDisk. Also, we have the entire range of SanDisk built on speed. So we have three different levels of speeds available in our product categories, which is one is the base level, which is the blue card. Then we have the ultra range, which is at 15 MB per second to 30 MB per second, and then we have the extreme range, which is our high-end range. Now, this is also unique to SanDisk in a way that we have the entire portfolio for flash memory, and we work very closely with handset manufacturers as well as the camera manufacturers to make sure that our products are completely optimized to work with all the host devices. The other unique feature about SanDisk is that we are a very channel friendly company. We engage in a lot of channel programs and training to make sure that the channel is completely aware about SanDisk's product range, and they are very excited to sell our products. We constantly incentivize them as well. So with all these things that are happening, I think by selling SanDisk, the channel is very happy because there is peace of mind, and they also make